When the prima facie case was determined, NAM1 challenged the ruling of the court at the Court of Appeal, and that was refused. And satisfied with the ruling from the Court of Appeal, he went further to the Supreme Court here. And we've been here for the past almost 1 year, and today the law lords have refused his application because he sought the court to give him a special leave so that they will halt the trial at the High Court. But today the court said no. And so what it means, our understanding is that the trial at the High Court can continue.
NAM1 back in court. NAM1 has had a PM of the High Court of Ghana. Hey, the Ghana party. Here we say here we will crop a minimum wage in that so. I was here now better than never see. NAM1 or in a men's goldie. I do for the amount for how many years ni? From the days of Nana Appiah Mensah and Dr. Mahmoud Omia. And no Musifra Kunya Sukra 1 year ni. For about 7 good years. NAM1 and in the men's gold, you are more court up and down, up and down. And then NAM1 eko PM ewo court to say the Accra High Court, the Supreme Court rather. Omo making sure say the case na ekoso no. Ometemneti na asem no ase ne kura papa bi anim. Ase ye twetwe ne ye jojo no kam say na what mean say MPP ni sori bi a any case bia no is ye file no process kwa na. There be o case we dey ye case. Edie ntiase na wey ana Supreme Court verdict omo tell say Nana Appiah Mensah NAM1. The men's go case ni enye small case. Enti omo bone nsem na twa go ma reject say omo ntimi hat sa case o pew ompew case na be kwaso ye behu na asem no ni puma sibre ese ehu ne kura ewom say ampa god ye na wo so odi ma manfo ye odi omusika na be wie ye say according to Bank of Ghana or ran Ponzi scheme aduma no chese wonim de oye na amanfo so ye Ghana ade na ye pesika tendem sa eye position na kire ye eye abrofin ne ba hai ne ye anasi na sa na ye tie da because I say the way a manner and junior high school you got reason sir mados je mema e mema no here quick money on go pesika senior high school you got final exam sir the same thing and DKM ebe man vote say ebi minute ebi wi ebe si wo NDC pencil na do dan kwa akufo do na ba na be tuatua zika ni bi eno kra isi yes ka taxpayers money me and me man go twa bienu me and man go say go pay 100% profit no me mo taxpayers money ye da go twa obi ka ye ntwe banks number of microfinances agu because bank owner the security ana ye ntimi nkan afedi ye nkwo hwa gold mu a na aduru so NAM1 wait Nana Appiah Mensah ni the men's gold 7 good years ni enso and Nana Appiah akufo na minim tema ma ba go twesika no e da ma manfo so go twew en de eto de ne Ghana fo ya sika ntentem ya ko fikina ta be se ni bebia na mom no de bia ne Ghana fo tire ye pon ye be so be sika ntem enti NAM1 e be si na 7 good years order so nam court na no se court en ka na se no mumbo ntungu e foolish case by court se oboa unyo no we tire sa case ne be continue case ne be to aso enti omo back to the High Court ama case no against NAM1 in the men's gold no case no as to aso bio.
When the prima facie case was determined, NAM1 challenged the ruling of the court at the Court of Appeal, and that was refused. And satisfied with the ruling from the Court of Appeal, he went further to the Supreme Court here. And we've been here for the past almost 1 year, and today the law lords have refused his application because he sought the court to give him a special leave so that they will halt the trial at the High Court. But today the court said no. And so what it means, our understanding is that the trial at the High Court can continue. And so today we also told that they will file their reasons on the 17th of this month. We shall go back to the High Court as was determined the last time on the 16th of this month, which is next week. So we are very happy and we appreciate what the court has done, just that it has kept long.
Do you get the sense that his appeal on the decision of the Court of Appeal has been decided upon, or is just an application to stay proceedings as matters go on at the Supreme Court that has been decided?
From our understanding, I think he filed 2 applications. One of them was the former appeal. I think what he brought here was that he wanted the court to stay pending appeal, and the High Court refused it. Then he went to the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Appeal also refused it. In fact, at the last one of the settings, even at the Supreme Court, the court said he should go back and continue with the trial whilst they come up with their ruling. And so this is about the 3rd time we have had 2 previous adjournments, and so this is the final day that the court has formally refused his application, meaning that the trial at the High Court can go ahead.
So what you understand is that it as the trial will go on at the High Court. Do you also get the understanding that you also have to come here again for the substantive appeal?
I'm not sure. Per the ruling today, it means it's over here. Except maybe he want to take another decision. That is up to him and his lawyers. But for us and for our understanding, what happened here means that the trial court now can go ahead with the case.
It's been
so he can open up. He can open his defense, because at the last sitting, the judge directed him that when we go on the 16th, he should be prepared to mount the witness box and open his defense.
Now, you say, Deputy Attorney General Jasim Simsane Adubuahini lawyer, Papa lawyer Tachia. That is a Umudi Goma, Omanam court to whom the court to Wabu answer. Now, wait, and now here come NAM1 at 7 no. Now Adubuahi, as we in a court, and yeah, easy. The lawyer Atachia, Nanina Sile, but case that's the open no, and young corner Samano, D, another. Me as a case be a chama to me, a doctor, a friend say, Justice Simsai, Adubuahi, Justice Simsai. NAM1 you grow there, Justice Simsai. Now, Dominic Akutinga Aine, the main boss, Nangaso, and fine. As a man who is a case be on the review, and as a money rotation. Okay, oh, me de minim na mi busakeke. Na, convenia, Edima, Omo, men's good affect your mono. And Papa ne say, Nanko say and can cray. Ghana court if you street your mo, any client are. Men's go name NAM1. Eddie or my brother say, sir. Oh, sir, say. Or say, Casey, for 7 good years. Yanka send back me. Wouldn't say, I said, na yanka yenti. Or now, what did you already do on for because we miscan none go investment. If you say, so far, death I recording 244 people. And now because NAM1, Eddie decided, say, or Bibo Mabro. Now court, as one cast him name frigo. Now man for us or Chomo Camo. Anasis Kanashi. And also a basin in 7 years. Court in Timikas in New Year. And it is here, no, every single minute and day. A month for no more friend. No Mudium Command. Ho. So when no be canasem, or more Jamo, or more no man for Munyape, or more no Mojija, because Sikani investment, Muko invest here. So many Sikano. Back in the Sikanamba. Now one a fragada mo, and also a court to justice delay, justice deny. And the justice is a look say be deny one is that. In the something, Sanyamse and Kano cray. One can't Ghana for Amaya who said, so for more is it involved no, or me so frustrated that Nango no the Ghana Niamentro. Or my frustrated. And he, Oman Penny Munkasa, Ghana for Munkasa, Ghana court ye Abba. Nkakra na de bi edu no eya yehu na papa no owie no de to as say de akosu ya hwe ne answer of ne china ye ba more death ebedu baby no anhwe obi de onkunu hu na e ba go dan different conversation altogether. And you make sure say as since 2018 Saba besi 2025 Sasa me yen can we ya the men then they can say hey na men's gold mpo case and you can do this time na time I want to me oh the gold bars everything na TV so hey and you go 10 years you go and come for that idea in lifetime never can because na mo no men's gold no the time I want to me omo have you omo the omo ti ni o. And I'm also asking, what does it take for someone to own businesses and to be part of the big boys? Does the person have to come clean, or the person have to act clean? Because it looks like say you're top guys now, and then on money but East Legon Sikafo, then. Maybe just performative. The real way they are making money is not the business you are seeing. Sometimes when you look at the business they say they are having, and the kind of money they say they have, then you ask yourself, a business where na musu amoye. NAM1, any the men's good, any of them, at the Ghana Football Association. At that time, any Nana Appiah Mensah meeting movie, sign contract, say or sign sponsorship deal the Ghana Premier League. Someone who was operating fraudulently, that person made the president sign the deal. Several times, I will call 242 got here. Now, in Ghana, almost a penny na. I feel you was San Chatawale, was San Stone Boy, or be a TV station. All of a sudden, there be a Ghana statement, Ekobiano, I feel NAM1, other statesman, Otimkobi. And then the guy is so very confident, telling Ghanaians as to and how do you blame him? Say, why have you been past 7 years? I didn't court him finding guilty. 7 good years any and NAM1 and in the men's good. Yet me finding guilty. Well, the reason why they tell you a political person head is a betting to me. So Obia was a Kabia person Ghana, net na day. Yent mention yet in the crana or better fee no court about the beer to find yourself entangle yourself with the politicians. Make sure who a political godfather be, who a political friend, who a political ally be, who will be our sponsor. The very moment I say no woman and one no humanity. And in NAM1 7 years in court and finding the guilty. Among for so audio musical according to the audio money so far say over 244 yamu to omu because omusika kodi men's good omusan kamade back as chomo family mama the be dromunti omu but NAM1 mum na so ti ase say odi dream na mpa still or you know their life Khaled that's na me that's so come for kama Ghana head me say Ghana head de obeso udi agro Ghana simple brebiani pressure baku crazy enim na lawyer Appiah papa no eso kasa tire say so far the econo court case econo I found a client at Dubai in 49.1 million Ghana cedis. I say at the time I had director Emma's National Signal Bureau. Papa no Sikano driver chef and on personal account. The other got cars or cars. The Okodi the Odisi and their home estate is name, home mansions in name, a home apartment or the rent. And home car shops will be any compressor will be none of us here Jessica back. I said no there now ye court to as mom could do and say now papa say oh sir my client case here mukai documents be from 1992 ABC 2025 about national security and send me an court to be ABC court say okay mo person ku dey there mo be hu no the baby oye na adwuma the ratio and no be hu and the next case here lawyer Appiah say so far the echo so e court no on the okay on kasa bebre na mom no emra pamu no two time the client ni be free a Ghana phone na be huntino no shaking cry no baga wire or vim rough Ghana mu be de ora no be weke operation recover all loot police for your friends saying cells every prisons because of makodi bone yeah armed robbers amusu area amanfo kwa ho at the same time yet politicians yet former government appointees no mo boy kro no NAM1 eso anya ne de Nana Appiah Mensah NAM1 ne men's goal according to mo dey say 244 people so far and now because of men's gold na case in 7 good years ni ye dey anyway na one say case in kayen twa so but Supreme Court say what say what say yes ni part 244 because of unti what say unti what say ntwa dey so circle back to High Court na monto case no so and the Supreme Court ebo NAM1 the case of the ba say nka omo halt the case no omo bo to agu say onko back na asem no nto so High Court and the omo dey age say we dey omo ni age say we have a start High Court no on the 17th of December that means next week here the High Court Accra High Court ebe start na NAM1 any the clients are so far mo na ko dan court say obo mo kro no o me kwa kodi sa asem no kama e wo court na NAM1 case no kra wo da so kai wo da so ni o kai say NAM1 kra the gold men's gold I bet that amount for some there was some period ago na Ghana almost every region we call na men's gold office e wo ni e bie xylophone den ni e sign artist bia ni e sign wo da so kai say wo say on kai say wo there da so wo case na so court case yen kan we NAM1 yen gas we before yen gas we dibe what do you make of it do you think say omo pe musica there will be a day a court ebe make verdict no omo musica and I say we fala enya de omo seka kapre ompa omunya ne ngope mavulo bi ye no omo rekupe musica back na NAM1 de obenya ne ho ni timo didim kama say na so wadwe wa na fatu comment section na we are subscribe like na share mo nua eso enya bi enhwe edi no eye ba ko pe Maxi Billian I will naked truth on Oldboga trends macro bye bye.